Since the fading of the kingdom at Anuradhapura, Polonnaruwa became the capital city of medieval Sri Lanka between the 11th and 13th centuries. Polonnaruwa comprises extraordinary architectural edifices, excellent sculptures and all other necessary features of an ancient city. After repeated invasions by the South Indian Cholas, followed by that of Kalinga Maga, the Sinhalese line of kings could do nothing but abandon the capital city, Polonnaruwa, in the 13th century and move to more secure places. The ancient buildings of the city of Polonnaruwa are situated to the east and southeast of the tank, Parakrama Samudra. The palace is within the citadel, whereas the sacred buildings, royal park and so on are outside the citadel. Several temple complexes are found beyond the boundary of the ancient city. The palace, buildings of consorts, the religious buildings reserved for the king's private use, the royal court and the royal pleasure garden are located within the citadel. The large terrace of the Dalada Maligava is a combination of several artistic monuments placed in outstanding orderliness. Among them, the Dalada Maligava, Watadage, the Image House, Lata Mandapaya, Sat Mahal Prasade, and Galpota inscription catch the eye of any visitor. This Dagaba carries the name Rankot Vihara because of its gold pinnacle. This 200 feet high edifice is the tallest and the largest completed Dagaba in Polonnaruwa. Alahana Pirivana, or the Mahavihara, which was built by King Parakramabahu I in the 12th century, covers a very large area of land. Among the hundreds of other monuments here, Gopala Pabbata, Baddasima Pasada, Kirivihara and Lankatilaka Image House are exceptional. The Galvihara is a rock-hewn shrine, undoubtedly the most impressive in a period of such antiquity to be seen in Sri Lanka, built by King Parakramabahu I. And this is Potgul Vihara. The most impressive creation here is the huge rock sculpture of a tall, bearded, bare-bodied man holding in his hands an object which some have taken to be a palm leaf book. Polonnaruwa, the medieval city, represents yet another golden era of the Sri Lankan history. This city was most zealously enlarged and adorned with a fine mixture of Sinhala Buddhist and Tamil Hindu cultures. The existing monuments bear witness to the glory of Sri Lanka's medieval past. Considering these many aspects, UNESCO declared Polonnaruwa a World Heritage Site in 1982.